American craftsmanship. What is craftsmanship?
It's the quality of work that is put into something made by hand.
A work of art to some, a way of life to others.
Craftsmanship to us is 60 years of pride and dedication.
Passed down from generation to generation.
The things we create day in and day out are the products that end up turning your house into a home.
The hardwood floors that your kids take their first steps on.
The solid wood doors that you quietly close at night.
Our dependability is second to none.
Our processes are tried and true,
and our attention to detail is what sets us apart.
Because trusted American craftsmanship is ultimately rooted in unwavering American values.
The hard work that goes on behind the scenes here brings out the beauty of our fine hardwood products.
We're not afraid to get our hands dirty.
And we're proud to put our name on everything we create.
From the beginning, we've made it our mission to build this business with the future in mind.
We are more than a manufacturer. We are a steward of our natural hardwood resources. We implemented green manufacturing practices decades before it became a buzzword.
And to this day, our products are produced by utilizing nearly every inch of the harvested timber we purchase. We don't just talk sustainability, we live it.
At Baird Brothers Fine Hardwoods, uncompromising quality and craftsmanship built our business.
And it will keep us moving forward for generations to come.